Think replacing a hardwired dishwasher means calling an electrician? It doesn't. In the next few minutes, I'll take you step by step on how to remove and replace the dishwasher. First step is removing the mounting screws. The dishwasher is usually secured to the underside of the countertop or the cabinet sides. Not sure if I'm lucky or unlucky, but mine was no longer secured to either. Next, we're going to turn off the power at the electrical panel, but you want to test the wires before and after shutting the breaker. Now that the power is off, we're going to disconnect the electrical. This is where most people get nervous, but it's actually pretty simple. Next, shut off the water by closing the water supply valve under the sink. Disconnect the supply line and catch any remaining water with a towel. Now we'll disconnect the drain hose. Loosen the clamp and don't forget to put a hose over a towel because it will leak. Your new dishwasher comes with moisture barrier tape. You're going to peel and stick the silver tape directly to the underside of your cabinet and countertop, positioning it as close to the front edge as possible. This creates a vapor barrier that protects your cabinets and countertops from steam and moisture when the door opens at the end of the dry cycle. Time to reconnect the drain hose and make sure the clamp is fully seated. Now reconnect the water supply and snug everything down. Don't over tighten the brass fittings. The bracket used to hold and secure the electrical wire where it enters the junction box is called a strain relief clamp or cable connector. Its purpose is to lock the cable in place so it cannot be pulled out of the electrical box. You will need to buy this separately as it does not come with the installation kit. need to trim the wires like I'm doing now, I just wanted it slightly neater. Now you're simply connecting white to white, black to black, and ground to ground. Now you can mount the dishwasher from the top or the sides. I chose the sides. Now slowly turn the water back on and inspect every connection. No leaks, perfect. Now time to close it up and restore the power. And that's it, a brand new hardwired dishwasher installed without hiring a professional. If this video saved you time or money, hit the like button and subscribe for more home improvement projects.